Now, if you ever want to withdraw funds from your Nexo account back to your wallet or to your bank account, this is also very easy here on Nexo. So let's look at how to withdraw first cryptocurrency and then fiat currency. So to withdraw cryptocurrency, you simply go to your account page right here. Then you're going to scroll down to where your assets are. So as an example, I'm just going to withdraw some US dollar Tether stablecoin. So I'm just going to look for it right here. Then I'm going to go to withdraw to this button. And then this window opens up. So here I can first of all see how much of my US dollar Tether I can withdraw currently. And then I have to decide on the network. So let's choose the network. Currently I get a fee-free transfer using the Polygon network, because on Nexo you get a certain amount of free withdrawals per month depending on your loyalty level. So I'm going to choose the Polygon network right here. And then I have to type in my withdrawal address right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my Binance account. And here I also have to make sure to choose the Polygon network. So I have actually the same one as I've chosen in Nexo. I'm just going to copy my Polygon network address for US dollar Tether. And then I'm going to go back to Nexo and then just going to paste this address in right here. I also recommend to use copy and paste when typing in addresses, because then you're probably not going to make a mistake and you're not going to send the coins to the wrong address. Now I have to decide on how much I'm going to send. So I think the minimum amount is like 10 US dollar Tether. So I'm just going to send like 15 US dollar Tether. And as you can see, there's no fee currently. If you do multiple transfers or multiple withdrawals in a single month, then you're probably going to have a fee. But with the Polygon network, it's only like $1. So once everything is confirmed here, I'm just going to click on withdraw, and then I have to type in my 2FA code, which I can see on my two-factor authentication application, which is Authy. So I'm just going to open up that real quick. Then I can click on verify code. And then here in the next step, I also have to confirm it using my email inbox. So I now have to go to my email inbox and again, click on confirm. And there we go, withdrawal request confirmed successfully. What we can do now to kind of track the transaction, we can go to the transactions page right here. And then we can see that the withdrawal of the US dollar Tether is currently in progress. And it's going to be green right here when it's actually finished. And we should see it in our wallet wherever we have sent it to. Now let's also look at how to withdraw fiat currency to your bank account. So again, we're going to start here on the account page. Then we're going to scroll down and go to our assets. In this case, I would just withdraw some euros. So I'm going to go to euros, click on withdraw right here. Then I have to decide on the amount I want to withdraw. So in this case, I would just want to withdraw, let's say 20 euros. Then I have to decide on the country of my bank account. So I live in Switzerland, so I would just look for Switzerland right here. Then you just have to type in your banking details. So your name, your IBAN number, or your account number, depending on where you're going to send the funds to. You can also type in a payment reason. And then once everything is typed in, you're going to see a withdraw button here on the bottom. Once you click that, you're probably also going to have to confirm using your 2FA code and also maybe confirming in an email in your email inbox. And then the transfer should go through, and it will probably take like 1 to 3 business days until the funds will actually be sitting in your bank account.